Hello. So, today I'm going to tell you about the mistakes we're doing when reaching out to customers. For context, I'm building an AI startup it's basically a discovery network for SMBs through AI. You go to AI, you type something, I want a service at a specific location, you get the results that you're looking for, and you either directly book with the professional or speak with the agent's professional. In order to build that type of marketplace, you want supply and demand. The demand is the consumers, the regular day-to-day users, and we have a long way to, go and persuade them and make them use Casper. So we want to go to the supply first. The supply is not in a specific region. It's not in Greece, for example. It can be anywhere. It can be the UK, it can be the US, it can be in Australia. So we are very deliberate when we are reaching out to the supply part, to the businesses, to join Casper. The registration is free and they can upgrade. They also get like 50 free messages for their AI agent to answer to customers. And after the 50, you pay like something like $15. So it's free to use it. And if you don't have like a huge usage, you will never pay Casper. But we have to make them somehow believe in us and that this is going to bring them more customers and this is the future. So that is where the problem starts. The Greek customers, the Greek businesses are a bit more, I wouldn't say open minded, they're more willing to help us. So that they will be like, okay, more customers. Sure, yeah, why not? And they will join. We started reaching out to UK businesses, mostly at the pet industry, pet grooming, pet walking, and all that. They are not very willing to help us. There are many reasons regarding that. One of them is they are fully booked for months ahead. So they're like, I don't need more customers. I don't need you. The problem with that is that it hurts their business because they don't really care about their brand awareness. They're just looking at the calendar. Do I have clients for the next month? Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about the future. That's the one problematic part that we need to somehow change. The other part is they don't trust us because either there will be like another AI startup which is a scam, and they're like, "You want to try our AI startup? It's free." And then somehow they try to scam them. They're afraid of using AI, and they already have a lot of going on. This applies to everyone, all the both consumers and businesses. We have limited attention span, and we are spammed with information all day, and it's very difficult for you to take a bit of the user's attention and try to devote 10 minutes of their time into your product. That's very difficult. So what we're doing right now, it's we're trying to first of all show them that there is a value, that you will get value even if you have clients, and we are not a scam. That's the difficult part. You need to somehow prove you're not a scam. I mean, you give them your phone number, you give them a Loom video with your face, and that face matches your Instagram account and your YouTube account, which was created before AI, like 2018. And you have an Instagram account that was in like 2020 or something, and uh, they still cannot believe that you are a real person with good intentions, that you actually care to help their business grow and grow your business as well. So we have done a lot of mistakes around that in our wording and our cold outreach. We are using many distribution channels and many ways to reach out to customers. We're not like only using Instagram, for example, or LinkedIn. We have lots of ways around that. I can make a separate video regarding that. But the mistake we did, and I want to like help you not do it, or if you do that mistake, try to, as fast as possible, maneuver the ship and go different direction. It's to be careful about your wording on when you're reaching out to customers. Our first messages were like a huge text block, like, "This is Casper. We do this, and this, and join. It's free." They were like, "I mean, I lost you. I don't know what's that, and I don't want to be a part of it." Then when we refined the text, we were like, "We are this. We're doing this and this. Join us." They still can't understand it, or they're not interested. So you need to grab their attention, possibly give them some value, and then be like, "We have this, it's free, you can use it, and it will help you." And depending on the customer, if they're like a big business or a small, like a freelancer, just try to find what are they going to get out of it. What are they looking for in a software? Will they actually use it? If so, why? You need to find the why. Why will they use it? What they can get out of that. Yeah, that's about it. That's for today's video. The main takeaway of this video is to fix your wording. Try to experiment with that. Do A/B testing, see what sticks, what doesn't. At your emails, check your subject, and then check your body as well, and make sure you do not send many emails per day, or messages in general at the same channel, because you will be like spammed, you will be flagged, so be careful with that. That's for today's video. Let me know if you have any question. I'll try to break this whole thing into multiple videos, so we can extract value out of each part, like the which channels to use to approach customers depending on the businesses you're building. And yeah, that was the video. Thank you for watching.